The secret to pro fingerstyle coordination isn't a pattern, it's geography. You've been told to anchor your ring finger to the pick guard for stability. That's a lie that's killing your tone. Every time you touch that top, you're choking the vibrations of the most important part of your acoustic guitar. Today, we're going to unlock your hand, expand your range, and learn the native language of coordination without the training wheels. Stop. Put your guitar in playing position. I want you to find the middle point of your picking hand forearm, mount it right here on the top edge of the lower bout. This is your pivot point. It gives your hand the freedom to move in a massive arc and lets the top of this dreadnought actually breathe. This is your new North Star. Now, we assign territories. Our thumb is the bass player. On the standard C chord, your thumb owns the A and D strings. We're alternating between the root and the major third, so let that pulse run. Next, we assign the orchestra. The index is locked to the G string, the middle is locked to the B. We don't guess, we assign. Before we play the song, we play the logic. Follow this ladder. The thumb alone is the pulse. So we're using that third fret on the A and second fret on the D, and the A and D strings go back and forth. And then the thumb and index. So maybe we want to hit them together. And the thumb and middle, we hit them together. And then the offset, we hit the thumb and then the index finger and then the thumb and the middle finger. Reverse offset binary, the song will always feel clunky. If you can't master the together verse offset binary, the song will always feel clunky. Watch the difference. On the left, we have the tourist version, anchored, stiff, and choked. Now look at the right, the forearm pivot, the fluid movement, and maximum resonance. See the arc? Hear the resonance? That's the power of an unlocked top. Once you have the A and D string territory, we expand. Take the thumb down to the low E string. We're going to root, third, fifth, third. So root, third, fifth, third. Now let those fingers explore. Add the third fret on the high E or B string to turn that into a C sus2 or C add 9. This isn't just a song, it's a territory map you can use for any progression. You have the territories, now you need the map. I've designed the Travis Territory Map PDF to help you lock this in. Comment the word dust below and I'll send it right over. I'll see you in the landslide session next to expand your range even further.